Well, we just finished a great day of grunt fishing. We really didn't know what we were going to catch, but we hit into a little school of grunts. It's been very slow fishing, but we managed to get these guys, these keepers. The rest we threw away. But these guys, we're going to do a catch, clean, and cook on the beach. So stay tuned and we'll catch up with you guys there. Well guys, welcome to Fish Hook. I'm Charles. I have my wife Amy here with me. She's going to join me on this catch, clean, and cook. Today, on today's menu, we're going to cook some grunts that we caught on a recent trip out on the Gulf. We got about 6-7 grunts. We're going to clean them up, and I want to show you how easy it is to set up this Blackstone. I've got the main frame right here in this. I've got the grill top, which we're not going to use, but we're going to need the grilling pan. And then I carry an insulated bag where I keep foodies and I keep utensils and all the ingredients, my spices and so forth. So the first things first, we're going to get out of the cooler the grunt and we're going to fillet them up. Well guys, just took them out of the cooler. These are the grunts. We're going to fillet these up right now, and then we're going to set the grill up on the tailgate. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do this. And these little grunts fight like you can't imagine, pound for pound. They fight beautiful. Using my Dexter knife, I usually give it a nice sharpening right before I start cutting. There you go. That's about all you're going to get out of it, and that's what your fish should look like. Look at that. Didn't puncture the guts. I hope that's every bit of meat possible. And now we will skin them real quick. Look at that. All right, guys. Today we're going to cook it on the Blackstone Tailgater combo. So I'm going to show you from start what it takes to get it out. I got the cases, set it up, and we're going to try today. This will be the first time I've actually done it on a tailgate. So let's see. First thing we've got is the base. It comes in this. This is about, like I said, about 45 pounds. And I did a video on this already, a review, and we cooked really cool grilled shrimp skewers, and they were tasty in my back porch. So this is the whole frame. All I've got to do is that, drop that, and show you what's involved. Now, we're going to flip these legs out. If you'll listen, they lock in place. They got a nice bar here to hold it. So, lay it on its side. This is somewhere you can have a little bit of home out here in the middle of, you know where, out in the middle of a campground or something. Perfect. These have notches that just slide in on the side and drop into place. Both of them do. There we go. We'll come out a little bit from the tailgate. Okay. Now we're ready to put on our grill pan. Line these holes up. Well, let's hook up the propane first and make sure these legs are nice and secure. There we go. We've got our 5-pound cylinder that I brought. And when you hook it up, keep your cylinder on the outside of the camp stove. Do not keep it underneath. I'm going to turn it on this one now. There we go. We're going to set it at medium high. That H burner is burning beautiful. Put a little bit of oil on here. Not too much. If it looks like something is going to stick, then we'll change it. I'm not putting the grill top on right now for a reason. First, I don't need it, and I could use it to lay stuff. So, we've got our Blackstone spatula, and this is a soft one for mainly for fish. So what we're going to do is spread that out. We'll let it get hot for a minute or two. I want it to get a little hot before I put them on. All right, so we've got, Amy help me, we got cut up
red pepper,
organic red pepper, organic yellow onion, and I carry with me in that little bag an assortment of all little organic, like $2 and $3 a piece seasonings. They're refillable, so I got a little bit of everything here. Let's throw these on. Let's get all these out. Okay, we'll just say this. Just take a little bit to get these things. Peppers. And we'll save that too. We're going to put the fish in it.
Oh.
We're going to let this saute just for a little bit. It would have been nice, the grill pan, if it had a cover, but it doesn't. But the griddle has a beautiful cover, so I like that. Gotta have onion powder. It's windy, as you can tell. I've got some garlic powder. What else we want to put on there? A little bit of black pepper, huh? You like that? Yeah. She doesn't like black pepper as much as I do. So I'm going to go light.
Salt.
And a little bit of salt. Okay. It's real easy to do this. You guys can do this in your backyards. What's nice about this is you got a nice 1 inch, 1.25 inch lip all around it. So everything stays in the pan where it should be. I like this. You need minimal tubes. Oh baby, this smells delicious. Oh yeah. I love this. Nothing like doing this out in Mother Nature. So this Tailgater combo, I gotta tell you guys, is excellent. Very practical. You can take it anywhere. It's right in your trunk. Can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong with this. I've got fish fillets here. They've all been washed out. We're going to season them on the grill pan. I lowered the temperature of the grill pan down to a little bit above low. Everything is hot here, so it should be good. Oh yeah. These will cook up in no time. These take nothing. Black pepper. And a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. And a little bit of paprika. They cook very fast. That is cooked. That's cooked. And that's cooked. Didn't take nothing to get them cleaned up. Shut the tank off first and let it burn out the rest. Good deal. Burned out the rest that's in the hose. So, I'm going to save one of these plastic pans to put these in. Oh yeah. And we're just going to pick out of this. So there you have it, guys. Grunts a la Blackstone Tailgater combo. Oh, smells delicious. And again, I like it hot. I'm going to put some cayenne on mine. But this is delicious. So I'm going to taste it. Amy will be back here in a minute. And we'll see how this is. Some fish. Some onion. Really nice and tasty. Just enough to take a little bit more salt. But I like, these are frail little fillets, so I'll break them up and I'll get an even mix in the sauteed onions and peppers. Absolutely delicious. So, not only was the Blackstone Tailgater combo so easy to put together, but look how portable this is. This is awesome. Well guys, my wife is ready. We're gonna see her taste and her knee-jerk reaction.
Okay.
All right, the fish is mixed
really
in.
Good.
Hopefully it's cooked well enough for you.
Grunts are very tender.
They're very
I like
tasty. I
this.
love
I like your seasonings. They turned out very well. Very good. I love it.
Have some more.
All right.
You good?
I love it.
So guys, thanks so much for joining in on this Catch, Clean, and Cook. For you guys that are new to the channel, welcome. This is a teaching channel on the world of fishing and cooking seafood and seafood reviews. We're glad to have you on board. Smash that subscribe button. We have had a wonderful ride. We're in it for 6 months. It's doing great, almost 1,200 subscribers, so we're real pumped. Guys, without you, it would be impossible. So until we see you on the next one, God bless.